What is up, guys? Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shared timer in Google Meet. So to add the shared timer, you need to install an extension that I'll just show you. So first, you need to head over to your Google Meets website by just simply typing meet.google.com. And after that, when you're redirected to the home page on the right side, you will see three lines or three dots according to your browser. And then from there, you need to hover to your Chrome Web Store. So after you head over to your extensions and then click on visit web store, here the web store will open. From here you need to search for meeting time extension. Simply type in meeting time, and after that this will show you the meeting time extension. As you can see, this is the meeting time extension for Google Meet. Simply click on this once and then you will see the option to add it to your browser. Simply click on add it according to your browser and then click on add extension, and then this will start installing this extension. After installing, the extension will automatically open, and here it will show you a guide on how to use it. So right click or left click on this extensions button, and after that here you will see your multiple extensions. From there click on meeting time and then click on sign up with Google. After that, sign up with your email account, and when you have signed in with your email, you can easily share your calendar or your meeting timer in Google Meet. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.